Higher order derivatives. So the highest derivative of any given function is always equal to 0. So for example number 1, if y is equal to 3x raised to 5 minus 2x, find the third derivative. So we have our given is y equals 3x raised to the power of 5 minus 2x. So all we have to do is to apply power rule. So 5, the exponent, multiply this 5 to the 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So we have 15. Then 5 subtracted by 1. So that's why it becomes 4. Then the derivative of 2x is 2. So the first derivative is 15x raised to 4 minus 2. To find the second derivative, so we just multiply also the 15 to the exponent 4. So 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we have 60x cubed. Then the derivative of 2 is 0. So we have 60x cubed. After that, to find the third derivative, just multiply the 3 to the numerical coefficient 60. So we have 180x raised to 2 because 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then after that, the fourth derivative, we have 180 times 2, which is equal to 360x. Example number 2. Find the fourth derivative if 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. So to find the first derivative, as what we have done in the first example, we just use the power rule. So multiply exponent to the numerical coefficient, then subtract exponent by 1. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we have 6x squared. So the derivative of 2x cubed is 6x squared. Then minus 3x squared. So 3 times 2, negative 6. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that's why we have negative 6x plus 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So if we multiply 4 times 1, it is equal to 4. So that's why we have 4. Then the derivative of 2, which is constant, so it becomes 0. Then the second derivative, just multiply also. So we have 6 times 2 is equal to 12x minus the derivative of 6x is 6 plus the derivative of 4, which is 0. Then the third derivative is the derivative of 12x is 12 and the derivative of the constant 6 is 0. So we have our third derivative is 12. Then our fourth is, since the 12 is a constant, so any constant number, their derivative is equal to 0. So our fourth derivative is equal to 0. Example number 3, find the third derivative if y is equal to quantity 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. Then, in this example, we will apply the product rule. So, in product rule, we have a times the derivative of b plus b times the derivative of a. So, our a here is the quantity 2x minus 3, and our b is x plus 4. So, our formula is a times the derivative of b plus b times the derivative of a. So, our a is 2x minus 3 times the derivative of b, which is 1, because derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 4 is 0. That's why we have 1. Then, second, plus b, which is x plus 4 copy, times the derivative of 2x minus 3, which is 2. So, simplify. So, we will use distributive property. So, 2x times 1, 2x minus negative 3 times 1 is equal to negative 3, plus x times 2, 2x plus 4 times 2 is equals 8. Then, combine like terms. So, we have 2x plus 2x is equal to 4x plus negative 3 plus 8 is equal to positive 5. So, we have plus 5. That is our first derivative. And our second derivative is 4, because the derivative of 4x is 4 and the derivative of 5 is 0. That's why our second derivative is 4. Then the third derivative is 0, because the 4 is a constant. That's why its derivative is 0.